everyone, this is TechBizmo and welcome back to another video. And I'm here with Sudo Linux.
Hi.
So in this video, everyone, we are going to be doing a Solus OS review. But first,
Except
I'm just going to
installed it.
Yeah, except we already installed it. You can see here I got 15.6 gigabytes of RAM and an i5 4210U CPU with 1.7 gigahertz.
That's not cool.
Apparently now it says that I have a
cool.
quad core, but I don't know why. And I'm about to beat up Sudo Linux. So yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it. I hope you're. Okay. So yeah, I beat him up and he's dead. Bye.